You value your business. You seek profitable solutions. You choose the correct path. The Component Rebuild Center offers a real opportunity to rebuild your equipment in a qualitative way. The largest of its kind in the CIS, with no equal in Kazakhstan, our center fully conforms to all international standards for safety, quality of service, and cleanliness. The process of rebuilding a component begins with diagnostics. This is the purpose of the part of the center that we call the SOS Laboratory. Here, we analyze samples of machine fluid that we take from equipment in the field without interrupting operations at your site. Multiple tests allow us to comprehensively assess the degree to which the oil has degraded, as well as the level of wear of the machine components. The results of our analysis are sent to you by email, though you may also view them on our website. We process more than 100 oil samples per day. Of these, an average of 4 indicate the need for repairs. When the component arrives at the machine shop, it undergoes a series of structured and precisely calibrated stages of rebuilding, all of which you may follow through our specially installed webcams. The center includes 28 fully equipped work areas, as well as specialized rooms where rebuilt equipment is tested. Initially, a component undergoes several cleaning stages. This includes a preliminary pressure wash. Then, in a specially designed area, we disassemble the component and wash the parts with chemical reagents at a temperature of approximately 80 degrees centigrade. These procedures ensure that any possible dirt is removed, thereby increasing the operating life of your equipment. Following the cleaning, the component's parts are carefully examined for defects. Our highly qualified technicians use specialized instruments to evaluate whether the parts can be reused. Based on this data, a list of defects is put together. The center includes Borusan Makina Kazakhstan's largest stock of spare parts. At present, there are more than 9,000 different part numbers here, with a total capacity of up to 15,000. A precise delivery system ensures the availability of spare parts and allows us to greatly reduce the time it takes to rebuild a component. The most critical stage of rebuilding a component is assembly. To guarantee absolute precision, our technicians calibrate the measuring instruments and perform check measurements of all spare parts. Component assembly consists of several levels. At each one, our technicians conduct tolerance measurements for conformity with the manufacturer's standards. The final step of the rebuild is to test the component. The center has all the stations required to test engines, hydraulic equipment, fuel pumps, and hydraulic actuators. Here, the rebuilt component is exposed to realistic loads to ascertain its operating capacity. It is then painted and packaged. Your component has been rebuilt and is ready for its new life. Rebuilding is a realistic alternative to buying new parts and components for machinery and offers real financial savings. Safety, innovative technologies, constant monitoring of workspace cleanliness, a finely tuned spare parts delivery system, and a structured work process. The Component Rebuild Center offers a reliable foundation for your business.